Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing amazing right there, and welcome to the phenomenal session. And this is the phenomenal session for those students who have not started their preparation, or those who are in the middle of the preparation, or the student those who are looking after the important question, the short question, the question which will be coming in the examination hall. And this is the leg test, and this is the one of the important video will play a vital role for your examination. Acha. And as per the specimenship paper, right, 7 to 8 marks questions came from the acid, base and salt. Not only that, my dear most children, every year 12 से 14 mark questions generally it comes. 12 to 14 marker question generally comes in every exam, in every exam, but this is the semester exam, right? And in the specimen also 7 to 8 number of marks came. That means 7 number of marks was there in the specimen paper in case of chemistry specimen paper. But as we assume that here also you will be getting the same in case of acids, bases and salts. I personally think that 7 to 8 marks will be there. Acha. And also maximum people, they used to think this is the one of the easiest chapter. Yes, it is one of the easiest chapter. And if you are a topper, if you are average, if you are a below average student, definitely your preparation you must start from the acid, base and salt, because 7 to 8 marker question. Now you might be thinking, sir, if you will be starting the preparation from this, what we will be reading? First of all, you will be reading the first in-text question, my dear most, very important. The first in-text questions you will be reading. Then after you will be reading entire 3A exercise questions you have to read. And not only that, but also examples. Examples means many kinds of examples are there. Like for an examples, strong acids example, weak acids example, right? Monobasic acids example, diabasic acids example, monoacidic bases example. These are the examples. Olfactory indicators example. What are the olfactory indicators? These are the very important examples. Carbonic acid formula, carbonic acid for examples, organic acid, inorganic acid, mineral acid. These are the things, examples will play a vital role for all people. Agar koi bachcha only examples, if a people is reading examples, definitely he or she can secure 20 plus marks. Pakka! He or she won't read anything, only if he or she will memorize examples, because examples is a key role for chemistry. People doesn't know yet. You people doesn't know yet. You are only going on reading randomly, but with the help of randomly also we have to apply little bit smart strategy. Smart means examples. Examples याद करना बहुत important role होता है. For example, olfactory indicators. So olfactory indicators examples, right? And this is the thing over. First is in-text question. Second is 3A, third is examples. After that, people, what you gonna do in the acid, base and salt? I am talking because 7 to 8 marks. It's not an easy one. 7 to 8 mark रखना मुझे, because in other subject, अरे यार sir, molecular formula, empirical formula, we doesn't know, numericals, how to do that. You are having lack of practice on those. अगर तुम उसमें कच्चा तो इसमें तो पक्का होना ही पड़ेगा, right? So 7 to 8 marks we cannot lose those. And what are the things you have to remember? Vinegar, acetic acid. Apple, malic acid. Oxalic acid क्या होता है? Tomatoes, right? Urine, uric acid. These are the things you have to memorize. Uses of acid, you have to go ahead. Bases, what are the bases? Uses of basic, you have to go ahead. The most important, again I am saying, importance of pH value, importance of pH in our day-to-day activities, importance of pH in our day-to-day activities, in our daily life, I can say, in our day-to-day activities. Very important. It is very, 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 very important. I assure you people, the way I said you, right, in my physics video, I had done a screenshot. I have taken a picture of the book, and I have done 2.13 conversion आएगा, उसमें से question आया ना. In this way also the question will be there. Whatever I have said, and also I have said the pulley, I have given a picture regarding here. This type of question will be coming. What happened, beta? Question came? Yes, the questions come. In the same way, whatever I am saying, it will be coming in the examination hall. Guarantee. Likh lo. I will be bring some paper. I will be having a signature on right there. See how confidence I am having. Importance of pH in day-to-day life. You might be thinking, so what are the importance? pH value 1 to 14, 7 is a neutral, 7 green in color. Color of the pH is also very important. Strong acid, which color, red or violet, comment करके बताना. And these are the things you have to read it. And the most important, survival. Human body needs 7 to 7.8 to survival. Acidic retin 5.6 less than acid rain होता है. Then which is the strongest part of the body? Tooth enamel, how it is made up of. These are the very important. Logically you have to go ahead. Importance of pH in our day-to-day life. Logarithm का question system क्या था? एक log something like that. What is the number of pH scale? So these are the things is very important, my dear most children. Complete this. If you people will complete this, I guarantee 7 to 8 number you will be getting. One more thing again, there are having many students, those who are going on reading, after also complex salt, mixed salts, right? And what double salt, no need of reading those 3 salts. Only you have to read normal salt, acid salt, basic salt. उसके बाद cut हो गया, सब कुछ cut हुआ है, right? Coming to the chapter number, now after this what you need to do? After this chapter number 1, maximum students this chapter they think average. This chapter they think average. Now you might be thinking what to read. I am saying personally, if I would be in your place, suppose if I did not read anything for the examination, if I would be in your place, definitely I would have read only in test questions and exercise questions, because I don't have time in test questions and exercise questions because I don't have time here, my dear most children, I don't have time. Exercise questions, these are the things are very important. So only these are the things I will be reading because I don't have time. But if you are a topper, you have to go through this everything. But I think personally increase decrease वाला से सवाल आएगा, जहाँ पर increase है जहाँ पर decrease है उस अच्छा तरह से पढ़ना. Interest question, exercise question, if I will calculate, I will be getting more than 60 plus. That is all about equivalent to 70 number of questions I will be getting from the chapter number 1. Coming to the chapter number 2, chemical bonding the same. Examples, electrolytic covalent example, fast reaction example, slow reaction example. Fast reaction, what are the compound that takes place in the fast reaction, what are the compound that takes place in the slow reaction, right? ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर बच्चे बहुत करते हैं. ऑर्बिटल स्ट्रक्चर कट हो चुका है 2 साल पहले. Before 2 years orbital structure has been cut from chemical bonding. नहीं पढ़ना है उसको. Remember only electron dot structure you have to read. And Lewis, right? Electron dot structure and many more. Only examples play vital role. Where you will be finding all the examples, that is, it is there in the exercise question as well as in test question. Remember chapter 2 is also important. Coming to the chapter number 4, analytical chemistry. I would like to say analytical chemistry, everything you have to read. Box वाला है तो 2 box important लंबा boxes तो है, right? So you have to read it. Very important. Logically I can say. So in case of analytical chemistry, I cannot help you out with people. अच्छा, molecular formula, empirical formula, and see, maximum students, I also don't know yet why you people make yourself crazy that जिस क्वेश्चन में परसेंटेज वाला है उसको काट दो. Percent composition not gonna come, you know very well. Empirical formula, empirical formula, molecular formula, as well as vapor density. You have to give a lots of time to the vapor density. पक्का 2 मार्क में उसमें से आने वाला है. And from the chapter number 5, mole constant, I personally feel 5 marks you will be getting, in which 5 or 6 mark you will be getting, in which 4 मार्क का 1 होने वाला, 2 मार्क का 1 होने वाला है पक्का. In which you will be getting empirical formula, molecular formula, and say a very goodbye to the percentage. No need of doing those. Only vapor density, molecular formula, empirical formula. Coming to the electrolysis, I cannot help you in the case of electrolysis also. That is also very important. Exercise question and test question. Now you might be thinking, so where to find the exercise question in test, exercise questions, question and answer? The link is given in the description box. You can just go and check it out, right? So these are the things. And if you have not joined the Telegram, there I have provided lots of materials in my Telegram. The link is given in the description box. You can join over there. And my dear most children, again I am saying you all my beautiful students that this is a strategy for you all people. If you want to pass in your exam, if you think yourself, sorry to say this, if you think yourself, sir, how to pass in exam, acid, base and salt, तुम्हें अपने ताकत बनाना पड़ेगा, right? This is the very important. And electrolysis question answer in test question, as I said in my last video, that what did I say beta, that in my physics videos, complete all the exercise question, 40 out of 40 is guarantee. And yes, And if you won't believe that, 39 number of marks was there from exercise, only one number was deducted, one number I did not come, that is from fulcrum part. Apart from that, each and every question was the cut copy paste for the physics exam. And maximum students are crying that sir, my physics exam did not go well, but I am saying in a proud manner that physics exam paper was very easy. Yes, I am saying that. You might be thinking, those who are watching my new video, sir, how can you say physics paper was good? I am saying physics paper was good because whatever the questions I have said before 3 to 4 videos, each one questions was there in your exam. Each one question was there in your exam. I have taken a screenshot, I have taken a picture, I have let to read the important questions, and out of those every questions was there. Every questions were there. That's the reason personally I feel my students have done almost the great. Those who have followed, and their comment we can see in the comment box. And this is all I wanted to say at the end. So prepare most acid, base and salt in test question, very important. These are the things. Analytical chemistry exercise padho. Exercise, if a boy or a girl is completely reading the exercise of all the chapters in test question, I promise, I bet 35 plus he or she will be getting. और जो 3-4 सवाल मार्क का सवाल होगा ना, थोड़ा ट्रिकी से ऊपर रहेगा, because those who are, you know, everything will be there in the exercise, what will be there. So paper will be very easy, do not worry about that. Everything will be from exercise in test question. I personally believe, I always believe those, because every year it comes. That's the reason I believe that every year it comes, not only for this, every year you can ask your brothers and sisters. So these are the things. So signing off for the today. I hope the session is really useful. Complete the in-test question. Chapter number 1 in-test question very important, because and it will be taking near about 10 hours. Personal calculator, if I am a student, I will be calculating in front of you. Personally, it will take more than 10 hours to go. Thank you very much. Signing off for the today. Coming strong in the next session. Cheers.